inna the clip ready for bite them like a cobra never shoot.
Oh God! Feel me life now over. Drop the Benz, drop the Bentley, drop the Range Rover. What you say?
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too.
What's good YouTube gang? You don't know it's your boy Jambisco and I'm back with another hit, another smash, another bang. The title we are dealing with today. Yeah man, we are dealing with the 6 boss himself. I can't believe say we not do no tune from the 6 boss yet. We do tune from Chronic Law. And who else we do from 6? That's about it. We don't do something from the 6 boss. I don't know me I talk squash. We don't know all that happen or all that one. But today from the see from the title we're gonna fix that. Today we are do squash the 6 boss. New song when drop 3 hours ago called Skillful. You see me I say 3 hours ago man drop it in the name. Hear the tune it hour gone. So we're gonna check it out then. Really gonna do some from squash dog? Real? I joke in the one there, I'm gonna change it up. Alright, not say a word. Let me know in the comment section or you know if you want to see more songs from squash and more video from squash and daddy one and Chronic Clan the world 6. Let me know in the comment section. You don't know how to do it over here, so people. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, smash that like button. You see me? Share the video. You see me? Subscribe. And what? Turn on the notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them in the fam. Yeah man fam. Yeah man, so I think I go over here strong. You see me from returning your viewers and subscribe. I'm love one like cook food. You see me the thing I grow and the thing I get strong and the thing I build up. You see me and all because I uno and the love and the support. So I love it all on each and every one of the bottom of the heart. You see me I say? Uno and my heartbeat. But you don't know how to do it over here so. Smash the like button, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You see me tell a co-worker, your friend, your family member, even your enemy tell them to come over and say, you littest channel is my YouTube. You see me? Yeah man. It's just like that. You see me so? Just like how we do. If the song is fire emoji, song is garbage or trash emoji. You feel me? But without further ado, we're gonna jump right in the track. This is squash new song when just 3 hours Skillful. So check it out and see what's going on. You see me? So you don't know. Let's jump right now. This is squash. Skillful.
I told me skillful, remember there. Right now.
Hold on the squash. Hold on the squash. Yeah man say? I told him skillful making there right now. You see me? Claw, easy man. We're going to turn up the thing. This is what I go on. You could jump like that. Go on.
Girls. I don't fear my enemies. I feel his pain and memory.
Hey.
Angela.
Me not fear my enemy. I me feel his pain. Hey! Hey! Come here.
Sandy Park. Otto. We all live some different life, shine bright on the pussy there.
Hold on. Once I live some different life, shine bright on the pussy them. I own my talk. I own my talk. I just a song in my bill. I mean, no people want to think him a talk about. I think that's a bill tune. You see me? Go John.
Remember all the good and all the things them we do for them. Mount of strength that me give and I'm still want me feed them.
Yo, remember the good. Remember all of the good that we do for them. You see me? Give them a strength. What? Yeah man, that means I talk to some people and know people. You see me? You don't know strangers I talk to them. Some people I know. Because they don't remember, you see me strength and the help and give them. That's what, yo, hold on, go on.
Yeah, me do this by myself, I don't need nobody else.
Straight like that. Do it, yo, do it by myself, I don't need nobody help. You see me? You do it by my own, you see me? Yeah man, go on.
My life now over. Drop the Benz, drop the Bentley, drop the Range Rover. 30 man in the clip ready for bite them like a cobra never.
Yeah man, say life now over. Drop the Benz, drop the Bentley. Hey!
Shake out like a soda, cause we better than them mobile. Better than them mobile, lucky like no win the logic.
Cloud, I say, what's soda? Hold on, they pull it back up, people. They go pull it back up. So I go, I say.
Sandy Park. Otto. We all live some different life, shine bright on the pussy there. Remember all the good and all the things them.
Yo, I live some life, shine bright on the pussy them. No remember all the good and the strength we give them.
We do for them. Mount of strength that me give and I'm still want me feed them.
About the strength of a man give and they still want a man for them. Make bad man people answer, man. Eh? Make bad man people answer.
Yeah, me do this by myself, I me not need nobody else. Feel me life now over. Drop the Benz, drop the Bentley, drop the Range Rover. 31 in the clip ready for bite them like a cobra, never shoot.
Oh God! Feel me life now over. Drop the Benz, drop the Bentley, drop the Range Rover. When say, yeah, all that.
But like a soda can we better than them Obia.
Yeah, like a soda can we better than them Obia.
Better than them Obia, lucky like no win the lottery. Can't start without the battery when we get it from the factory. Have a pretty girl to match me, them can't stop me.
Lucky like we leave the lottery. Hey! Hold on, let's see what you say. What you hear when you say again?
Ready for bite them like a cobra, never shake out like a soda can we better than them Obia. Better than them Obia, lucky like no win the lottery. Can't start without.
Better than them order. Life lucky like we win the lottery. Hey.
Don't the battery when we get it from the factory. Have a pretty girl to match me, them can't stop me like the taxi.
Can't start without the battery when we get it from the factory.
Cut the bricks and with the last kit, then put it in at the basket. Hey, live some different life, shine bright when the pussy them.
Hey, me rate. Me not lie, me rate squash growth. You see me? Let me tell you this straight. I'm telling you the straight, I mean, I say that. I'm one of the first man in America for this squash. You see me, I say? When me have this squash, nobody know about the brother. You see me? Discover squash man, blood clear YouTube music. You see me, I say? When that before, I know money fever. Money fever? For money fever and blood clot trending. You see me, I say? It's like, I listen to nobody know. Even I'm a friend, I'm bridging them. We're a big blood class 6 fan now, and big blood class squash and chronic class fan now. Never hear about me put them on squash and anything there. You see me? And back then, they say, yo, all them money have gimmicks song. You see me? Get the money fever. Sing like that. You know, a little catchy. They say, yo, all the gimmicks tune like that, man have. But look here. The man are chopping at the song, them brother. Chop lyrics and everything. Chop, change up, influence and all these things. Yeah, man craft a go up. The man skill level a go up. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Run through.
Them all the good and all the things them we do for them. Yeah, but that stand that we give and them still while we feed them. You're right, yeah. Do this by myself and we don't need nobody else.
Yeah, man, for real, man. You see me? No matter what you good to do for people, dog. You see me? Bad mind people, I don't want to see you done. I always want to see you done fall. You see me? I want to see you dead and them thing there. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I real talk, man, I make. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, me I like how squash a grow, dog, and man. You see me? The man flew and thing them a change up and man, I grow, dog. Me rate them thing there, brother. Yeah, man, it's a good look. You see me? I say, yeah, man, let me know the thing in the comment section down below, people. If you like it, drop the fire emoji. You see me? And if you think it's garbage, drop the garbage can or shit emoji. You see me? As if it's a mess. You see me? But if you like it, drop the fire emoji. You see me? Like the video, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. You see me? And go over the artist page at Squash. You see me? And check out him song and show the artist some love. And you know, say Jambisco sent to me. You see me? I say so. Let me know what you think. Let me know what go on for the quarantine and summer. What I do for the summer people. Let me know what I deal with. You see me? What I have plans. You see me? What's going on? How you keeping yourself occupied during this time? Let me know. You see me?
Yeah, me say me skillful. Roll with every gun and me make sure say me clip full. Any funny move, the zig and them like a pitbull. Press it, jigga, come me moody, give them 6 like a deal. They start to show them.
Hey! Man say, yo, the clip full. Any bumbo clad, shaky move. The zig and name them like a pitbull. Up to them.
Them like the movie, not gonna make me mother lose me. Me no friendly, me no join up after me and no groupie. When them get too comfortable, pass them place them all we shoot. No just a friend, enough for them, no one see.
Man say, me no friendly. Me no join up after me no groupie.
Bobby 6 or 10, get the book and get the pen. This are the message when me send. Get to you for one things. Oscar, bite, bend, tap a light, punch them like mine.
Blah, 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 blah. Gun salute. Yo, gun salute the man, pan one. Get to you see your thing. Them see have the bends and hey! Bumbo clap, pull it up. Bumbo clap.
The zig and them like a pitbull. Press it, jigga, come me moody, give them 6 like a deal. They start to show them like the movie, not gonna make me mother lose me. Me no friendly, me no join up after me and no groupie. When them get too comfortable, pass them place them all we shoot. No just a friend, enough for them, no one see Bobby 6 or 10. Get the book and get the pen, this are the message when me send. Get to you for one things. Oscar, bite, bend, tap a line, punch.
Bumbo clap. Get a youth for your own things. You see me? They don't want to daddy rise. Get a youth for your own things. Oscar, bike, Benz, Bumbuckler, fuck with them. Yeah, man. Get a youth for have things. Get a youth for have chair. I'm to no. I'm to face I own alone up in the suburbs and things. Get a youth for live life and have things too. I'm to them, man. I'm to them people. They don't know say, yo, we are a winner. They don't know say we are start to. I'm to them what them feel like.
Punch them like Mike Tyson. Strike him, strike on me eyes wide open. Live some different life, shine bright when the pussy them. Remember all the good and all the things them and we do for them. Mount of strength and me gay and I'm still want me feed them. Yeah, me do this by myself and me not.
So bad mind people are always stay in a brother. No matter how much you help them, how much strength you give them, they always want to see you downfall, want to see you dead and them thing there, brother. You see, but you have to keep all the faith, know the pussy them and just keep working, yeah man.
Need nobody else. Feel me life now over. Drop the Benz, drop the Bentley, drop the Range Rover. 31 in a the clip ready for bite them like a cobra. Never shake out like a soda, cause we better than.
Feel me life now over. Chop the Benz, chop the Bentley, chop the Range Rover. You see me? 31 in a the crib ready for bite them like a cobra. Hey! Hey!
Better than them mobile, lucky like me when the latchy carry start without the battery where we get it from the factory. Have a pretty girl to match with them.
Better than Obia. Live life like we win the lottery. Carry start without the battery where we get it from the factory. Hey, squash me then. Squash boss. You know I say squash boss. You find it, my G. Your craft will get better, my G. Your legs and them thing there, brother. You see me, you keep on elevate, my G. I'm rate that. You keep getting better and better, my G. You see me? Yeah, man. You're full of style and thing them. You see me? Yeah, man. Enough tune out there have rate, man. Yeah, I can't believe it. Me don't do this, let's join it. But I say a word. Because now I don't know, say, yo. Enough that if you put in, I'm going to put in the work, though. Because we don't want nothing easy, though. You see me? We work for what we want, though. Yeah, man. Watch it. Yeah, man, run through.
Can't stop me like the taxi. Stop the bricks and with the last keep them.
Don't know people, if you don't do it already, please like, comment, share and subscribe. You see me and turn on post notification bells. You see me? Yeah, man, let me know what you think of the song in the comment section below. You feel me? Let you know what you do in the summer. Remember, guys, the goal by August is 5K subs. You see me? We're not July right now. July. Till July 1st. You see me? I say goal. August, man, 5K, so we know we can do it, people. You don't know. You know we can do it. We are the best, latest channel over here, so you see me? We know we can do it. Believe in us, you know. You see me? Because we believe in me. You see me? Anything we set out to do, we achieve, you know. You see me? So we know say anything we set out to do, we achieve too. Yeah, man. So, love, you know. You see me? Remember the goal, 5K sub by August. You see me? Let's get it. Let's jump back in the chat.
Put it in at the basket. Hey, hey. We all live some different life, shine bright when the pussy them. Remember all the good and all the things them and we do for them. Mount of strength and me gay and I'm still want me feed them. Yeah, me do this by myself and me not need nobody else.
What? Yeah, man, dog, I find the tune them, man. You see me? And I'm sorry, guys, if you think I'm pausing too much, but you don't know. What you think said, man, you have to comment or you don't want to get copyright, so we have to, you see me? If we're not talking enough, we get yellow mark by you do one thing there, but yeah, man. Squash I do thing, dog. Squash I find eat them after eat them, you see me?
We all live some different life, shine bright when the pussy them.
Yeah, man, have to. Shine bright them and shame them. Shame bad mind. But I'm come for shame you in a bad mind. All I know them, I come for shame you. Come for shame you know. Alright.
Remember all the good and all the things them and we do for them. Mount of strength and me gay and I'm still want me feed them. Yeah, me do this by myself and me not need nobody else.
Squash me G. You find it dog. Yeah, man, you find them. You keep on find eats them back one after one. You don't play no squash. You see me 6 bars, you don't play no. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that was a real dope track. I like it. Burn out bad mind and them things. Yeah, man, them things are necessary. So people that don't know, do it over yourself. If you like the song, drop the fire emoji. If you think it's garbage or shit, drop the garbage can or shit emoji. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you know and if you like the track, go definitely support the artist. That's Squash Vivo. Go ahead and check him out. Show him some love. Like and comment. Thanks Jambisco sent you. You see me? If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bells so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. I'm returning viewers and subscribers. I love you guys. You guys are the best. We're going strong over here. It's gonna be the latest channel on YouTube, man. I promise. Trust me. Trust me. Believe in I don't believe in I don't know, so we have got to the top. And then can't stop we, Yeah, man, cause we are boss. You see me? We are done. We are general down here. You see me? We are the reaction king, You see me? So we know the reaction royalty. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So we are go over here strong. Everything, man. Let's show some love. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn the viewers and subscribers. Love you guys. You guys are the best. You don't know. We're getting lit over here, getting better, getting stronger. All that. You don't know. Your family. Shout out to giveaways coming. Stay tuned. We have upcoming tune from, reaction from music from Trinidad and Renard and everywhere. All the islands. You see me? So stay tuned. You don't know. It's about Jambisco here and I hit and I smash and I banger. Love you guys. You guys are the best. Till next time. Stay safe.